here are some apartments that never made it to our previous videos.
Let's check out this next one, which was only posted 1 hour ago. $2,300 a month, 1 bed, 1 bath. Looks like a really nice view. Wow, so you can really get to see everything here. So you get your view, you have your living space, you have your bedroom, you have your washroom, and possibly a closet, maybe. And then the bathroom, not the bathroom, the kitchen would be like behind. Oh, right here, very nice. So let's check this place out. Looks really, really cool. $2,300 a month. Thank you for the layout. Nice right here, kitchen. Ooh, so this would be the bedroom, your angles. Ooh, got an air conditioner there too. Very nice. Oh, wow. New appliances. That's amazing. All right, great washroom too. Love the tile and the colors and like the marble style. That is amazing. All right.
Since this is the first apartment in this video, what would be your rating for this apartment? From 1 to 10. 1 being not so good and 10 being amazing.
Wow, so we have one right here that was only posted 3 hours ago. It is $2,500 a month and it's 3 bed, 1 bath with 850 square feet of space. All right, so let's check this place out. 3 bed. Wow. All right, so this is your nice kitchen. Nice tiles, backsplash and everything. All right, great appliances too. All right, so this is your flooring and your view. Looks like you're really high up, so you're gonna get a pretty nice view. So bedroom 1. This is your bathroom. Very large bathroom too. So kitchen. Oh, I believe this would be one of the bedrooms. This would be the 2nd bedroom. And then this would be the last bedroom. All right. And then your washroom. Okay. So I wonder where the living space is or what that looks like. But this is pretty nice. $2,500 for 3 bedrooms. So that's just a little bit over $800 a month per person. Might be able to squeeze a 4th person in there, you know, if one of them or 2 of them are siblings. That could be cool too. Here is the next spot. It is 2 bed, 1 bath, 1,100 square feet, almost $3,000. So if you were to split that with 2 people, that would be $1,500 each. All right, and here we have your kitchen. Very nice kitchen. All right, the living space. Like the flooring for the living space. Here is your one of the bedrooms, and here is your washroom. Another nice angle for the washroom. The other bed, very nice. Wow. All right, so that was it. Okay, so actually let's check the neighborhood really quickly. You are in Astoria, and the walk score and the bike score are pretty good. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.